So this is trick 32, which I decided to use because I do it with my second graders all the time. But what I would do here is have students look at the first number, and I would probably ask them to go ahead and try it in their head, which would be a little difficult for most second graders. And then I would ask them if they could do 50 plus 25 in their head instead. So I'd have the student work a problem that was more like chalk. Oop. I would have them start to work 50 plus 25 in their head, which they would be able to do quickly, especially since we've just been learning about money. And they would likely be able to quickly come up with 75. And then we would look back and simply see that 49 is 1 less than 50. So to solve the problem, could take away 1 from 75. Again, I'm showing it here on the blackboard, but they could likely do this right in their brains pretty quickly, which would actually be much faster than regrouping. This time of the year, second graders begin regrouping fairly fluently, but this is definitely a skill that helps those that are still struggling. Again, here we would do the same thing, probably changing the 49 to a 50, which would be a nice round number. And probably change the 127 here to 130 since we've been working on place value, tens, ones, and hundreds. These are very similar to types of problems that they've been doing in their head in our curriculum. And here we would be able to add the 5 plus 3, get an 8, get a 1, so we've got 180, and then we have to look back at our problem over here and say, well, 50 is 1 more than 49, I need to take away 1. 130 is 3 more than 127, I need to take away 3, so altogether I need to take away 4. And most likely, we could do subtraction with regrouping, but probably if we're only taking away 4 with my second grade class, I would simply have them count back. Okay, but for the purposes here of looking at this, we could just regroup and get a 7, a 10, okay, and then we would get our answer of 176.